Hello, everyone. Good afternoon, good morning, good evening. I believe you guys are doing very well as I'm doing right now. And Bashcass community is growing. It's growing. Just today, a lot of people are joining and people are ready to have, to join this business. So now let's go to what I want to share with you today. So on this video, I'm going to explain how the platform works. I'm going to take you through everything so that you know how to register and how to buy your package. But please, disclaimer is that this is not a financial advice. You need to always make sure you do your due diligence. You read through it carefully before you join. And also make sure you talk to your financial advisor before you join. Because if you have any doubts, please, you leave it to be alone. If you have any doubt about this project, please kindly let the project just be there. I know there are people who are ready to face whatever thing that happens, and this platform is for these people. But any doubt, what is then that? If you have any question and we answer you and you still have any doubt, then you take your decision, okay? So please, quickly, let's go through the project. Now, one thing I want to say is that this is not a pyramid scheme. This is not MLM. That is multi-level marketing. No referral bonus, no binary bonus. It is a pure business. You register, you get your personal account, and then when the company is launched, when everything starts running, when we purchase our cars, start working, then you start receiving your bonus. That is how it's going to be. And remember, in every business, for the beginning, things are going to be like not very distant, not very strong. Okay, we need to work hard to make sure it gets ground. So we are thinking of long term, like 10, 20, 30 years. So we need to make sure we do something that the company will really be on its feet. So what I want to say is that let's all relax and be patient because everything is going to work smoothly, okay? That is for those who believe in the concept, those who believe they are not throwing their money away, but they are also what? Believing the process and also donate and also buy their package so that they also become member of this platform. Another thing is that anybody who join right now till we launch the company, you have lifetime payment system. Like you're going to be with this platform for how long it goes with your one-time payment. Example, if you choose $20, it means that is your one-time payment. You don't have any way to update it or like to just do another package next year. No, it's one time. And with a one-time payment, you have a lifetime payment with this system. So everything is going to be passive gradually. For the beginning, the money will not be anything huge, but as time goes on, as the company is growing, becoming bigger and bigger and bigger, your money will also becoming bigger and bigger. There is nothing like fixed payments here. I'm just doing this thing to make sure we get passive income. As I always say, I'm here to make sure that all of us are happy. Something that we can even leave for our children. Because if this company kicks and everything is running very well with good leaders, I believe the company is going to grow. And this company will not be only on what? Transport. We're going to add another things, but that will be in future when everything is running very well for us. So now, this is the package. This is how it looks like. Okay, we have bronze, silver, gold, platinum. Okay, so when you come down, anyone you can choose. But remember, when the payments start coming, after we launch the company and everything is running, and then we start paying people, those who choose $20 will get their own bonus. Those who choose 300,000, everybody will be getting his or her own according to the package he or she chose. If you come in with $20, don't expect to get the same money with somebody who came in with 300,000 or 500. It's going to differ, okay? So that's what I just want to share with you. So when we come down, you see, you can pay in what? Crypto. For now, we are only accepting cryptocurrency. That is what? USDT. Then, as time goes on, we're going to add bank, PayPal, and Momo. For those in Ghana especially. Then, if there's any update, if we have members, videos, and stuffs, like anytime we do, donation and stuffs, everything that the company does to its members, we're going to post it here, okay? So from there, we go down. That is the message from the CEO. So you can take your time and then read through the message from the CEO. Okay. In this case, I am the CEO, so you can take time and then listen to what I'm sharing with my loved ones. Okay. And like I said, we are going to transport. So these are some of the pictures just going to transport. So our current project is what? Transport. But as time goes on, we're going to add another project. Then the mission and vision, take your time and then read, to help provide financial freedom through transport and other businesses, whilst promoting the best interest of all members to reduce the rate of poverty, especially in Africa. But in Africa doesn't mean other people in different countries are restricted. Everybody can join. Okay. Now, core value, we at Bashcass take pride in integrity, hard work, and consistency. So when you come down, we have everything. Okay. So now we have to go to terms and condition so that you also read it. If you are okay with it, then you go ahead and then, just register and then buy your package. But please, I want to make this thing clear. Before you can create accounts in this project, you need to buy a package. Let me repeat it very clear. We don't want anything whereby people will be registering, like creating more accounts upon accounts, and then occupying, like getting more space in the system, and then these people are not paying anything. It's going to affect the database and then the size of the website. So in this case, what we've done is that we have done it in the sense that if you want to get accounts, you make a payment, you are in the system. Okay. So if you're not ready, get ready before you register so that you get accounts. If you want to register, then later you pay. It doesn't work like that. It doesn't work like that. I'm sorry. So please, this is what I just want to share with you. So now, when you come down, you can see bronze, everything. Now, assuming you want to buy the package, now you're ready to register. So before you register, get account, step by step, you need to buy the package first. So you need to come and click get package. So guys, pay attention and watch me carefully. Get package. Now, when you click on get package, select membership. So you're going to click on what? Add to cart. So add to cart. Now you'll click on what? View cart. View cart. View cart. Okay. So when you click on view carts, as you can see, we have what? Bronze membership. That is amount of money you want to pay. You pay exactly this amount of money. So when you scroll down, you can see proceed to checkout. Okay. With this process, you are also registering. That is why I said if you want to register, your money is supposed to be ready, because we only accept people who have purchased accounts or who have purchased a package so that they get accounts. Okay. So you don't have to register before later on you come and no, it's not like that. It doesn't work like that. So those who are asking me, they want to create an account, but that is not working. Please, you need to make sure you are ready before you create account. Okay. So you click on proceed to checkout. So let's see what's going to happen. Excellent. So when you go there, you can see this is what? Billing details. So you put in your first name. So example, let me see. So I can put in my like Bashir Haruna. Let me see something. Bashir Haruna. Then okay. First name is what? Bashir. Last name Haruna. Okay. Company. Okay. Company name. Remember, the place that we have the star, that is the important area. So if you don't have any company, you can leave it. Then country or region is very important. So you need to select country or region. So from Ghana, so I'm going to select Ghana. Let me see Ghana. Where is Ghana? My beloved country. So Ghana. All right. So street address is very important. You need to add your street address. So let's say Teshnunga State 7. All right. So that is a postal code. Everything has been filled already. Then you put your contacts. Okay. So in this case, it's going to be like, let's say 203634 Okay. Then you go down. So email. So you put your email. Make sure it's correct. Okay. So let's say Abbas Aruna 100. Then additional information. Notes about your order. Example, note for delivery. So you can also leave that place. Yes, I'm okay with your sending an additional newsletter. So you can also Leave all this place. Now, when you come down, you can see the payments. Now the question is, what do you want to pay with? But for now, is it PayPal or whatever? But for now, we are accepting only what? Cryptocurrency, that is USDT. So you click on what? USDT. When you click on it, you will get an option. Select an altcoin. So you click there, that is what? USDT. So it's processing. Very good. So now, Tether. So you pay this amount of money. Okay? So everything is just there. You can see it. So now you just go ahead and then you just go down. You make a payment, net payable amount. So 200 and something. So when you go down, then you click on what? You copy the address. So let me see. So then you copy. Address has been copied nicely. Then you what? I have completed the transfer. So you click on what? I have completed the coin transfer. So when you send the money, then you click on what? I have completed. Okay. Then you scroll down. So I would like to receive exclusive emails with discounts and products. Optional. All this is not optional. Then I have read and what? Agreed to the website. Then you click on what? This place. Then you click on place an order. So automatically you will be in the system. So when you be there, the system will ask you for transaction ID. You said what? Please enter your coin transaction ID. Okay, that is the hash. So you paste your hash here. Then you click on what? I have completed. So you need to paste. You see, every place where there is what? The red color, that is the hash. Make sure you take it serious. So when you send the money, you put your transaction ID so that it will verify that you've really made a payment. Then we confirm. When it's true that you've made a payment, then we allow you to get accounts. So guys, this is how everything works. Okay, this is how everything works. For now, PayPal and this thing is not ready. So we're going to leave there for now. It's only crypto. So please take your time. Make sure you don't make any mistakes so that you do everything in a very nice way. I think this is how everything works. And I'm coming out with a video whereby a lot of questions has been answered. People are asking so many questions and I've taken my time to answer all those questions. So I'm going to post it very soon so that you also take time and read it and then see if your question is in. Hallelujah. If it's not in, take your time and then write again and then let's see how best we can answer you. Thank you so much, guys. I know this is a new project. Of course, something might not be kind of, good for you, but please exercise patience. I am there for you anytime, every day. I am always responding people and we are ready to go, guys. Thank you so much and more videos are coming. Bye for now.